Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. J, and today we are going to look at factorial, permutation, and combination. These are fundamental counting techniques in mathematics and probability. Factorial is denoted by exclamation mark, is a product of all positive integers from 1 to n. It is denoted by n factorial. Example, 1 factorial is equal to 1. 2 factorial is equals to 2 times 1, which is equals to 2. 3 factorial is equal to 3 times 2 times 1, which is equals to 6. 4 factorial is equals to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, equal to 24. And 5 factorial is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, equal to 120. Now do this for me, 6 factorial, and leave your answer in the comment section. Note, by definition, 0 factorial is equal to 1. Then we move further to permutation. Permutation is an arrangement of objects where orders matters. For selecting and arranging R objects from n distant objects, is written as m permutation R, which is equal to n factorial all over n minus R in bracket factorial. Example, how many ways can 3 students be chosen and arranged from 5 students? Solution, this is 5 permutation 3, which is equal to 5 factorial minus 5 minus 3 factorial, which is equal to 5 factorial over 5 minus 3 factorial gives us 2 factorial, which is equals to 5 factorial means 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial all over 2 factorial. 2 factorial cancel 2 factorial, left with 5 times 4, which gives us 20, 20 times 3, which gives us 60 ways as the answer. So we have 60 ways can 3 students be chosen and arranged from 5 students. We move further to combination. Combination is the selection of objects where order does not matter. For choosing R object from n distant object is written as n combination R, which is equal to n permutation R all over R factorial. If we move further, n permutation R is written as n factorial all over n minus R factorial all over R factorial. If we continue, this is the same thing as we write the numerator, which is n factorial all over n minus R factorial. We change the division sign to times, then we take the reciprocal of the denominator, which is 1 over R factorial. If we multiply across, n factorial times 1 gives us n factorial all over n minus R factorial times R factorial gives us n minus R factorial, which becomes n combination R. Example, how many ways can 3 students be chosen from 5 students? Solution, this is the same thing as 5 combination 3, which is given as 5 factorial all over 5 minus 3 factorial, which gives us 5 factorial. 5 minus 3 factorial gives us 2 factorial, 3 factorial. And if we continue and express 5 factorial is the same thing as 5 times 4 times 3 factorial all over 2 times 1 times 3 factorial, and 3 factorial cancel out 3 factorial. 2 into 4 gives us 2, 5 times 2, which gives us 10 ways. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.